Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AIROKA H112 remote control drone. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include intelligent obstacle avoidance, HD dual camera, app control, freely switch cameras, record wonderful moments, and provide a broad space for creation. 4-direction obstacle avoidance system, no worry of obstacle, 360 degrees automatic detection of surrounding obstacles, prevent collision, scratch, crash, flying more comfortable. Easy to assemble and unassembled take off or land by one key, suitable for novice operation, choice of excellent body material, safe and light, reduce the risk of explosion during flight. Indoor and outdoor optical flow positioning, always stable, to achieve stable flight. Outdoor and indoor mode switching, 1 key calibration, 1 key return. Advanced HD image transmission technology, the transmission picture is smooth and clear. You can watch high-definition aerial footage in real time from your mobile phone. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.